Hello, hi friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to access the command line arguments. When you execute a program, you have to pass the command line arguments in the following way. Here we can see the syntax of how to pass the arguments to the command line. Here, here I am passing the argument 1 and argument 2 to the at the time of execution of the simple class. You can pass these arguments in your program. For example, these arguments can be accessed with the help of the main method, string arguments. In the next slide, you can know detail about how can we access the command line arguments and how to pass that command line arguments. Here I am passing the command line arguments. For example, I will show with this in ink with the help of ink. Okay. Here the name of the class is simple, and at the after successful compilation of this code, at the time of execution, Java simple Wipro I am passing. Java is the command in order to execute, and the simple is the name of this class, and the Wipro is the command which I am passing to that command line arguments. For example, these arguments will taken by this parameter and it will print the zeroth parameter. As it starts index is 0, it will start from zeroth index. When we execute successfully, the output will be printed as this one. In this manner, the command line arguments will work. Let me see another example how to access the numeric command line arguments. I will annotate with the help of ink. Yeah. Here the name of the class is simple, and in the main method it is. Here we are accessing integer i1. It is in the form of percent argument 0th one. 0 is 10 and the first argument is 20. Okay. Here we are printing that i1 plus i2, 10 plus 20, 30. Finally the output will be 30. Here the percent means it will convert any type of string or any type of data into a integer format. Whatever the it will be converted into integer format. With the help of the command line argument, it can be possible to find the length of an array. Here we can find how we can find the command line argument by passing while executing a Java program. The answer to the above question is in arguments.length. By using this arguments.length, we can access the length of an array. Let me see the example in order to know detail. Yeah. Here the name of the class is find length. You can see find length. Here it will be find number of arguments. I think it will be mistake. I have to mention it will the name of the class will be same. Let us assume the name of the classes both will be same. Here I am passing the arguments as a b c d e f. The length of this one is nearly 6, I think 6 a b c d e f 6. Okay, we are passing these arguments to it. Then here we are taking the not the index value, we are printing the length of that arguments, so that's why it will print the length of these arrays will be 6. And also in order to find length, Tom, John, Lee, these are 3 arguments, so that's why it will print 3.